Is it worth it for you to file a medical malpractice case? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today quickly about that question. Is it worth it? Should you file a medical malpractice case? Well, before I get into the analysis of that question, I have to remind you that ultimately it is your call. It's your decision as to whether it's in your best interest to file a medical malpractice case. Your lawyer can help you out with some of the pros and the cons, but it's ultimately up to you as to whether you're going to go forward with something like this. Now, back to that question, is it worth it? I'm going to talk with you today quickly about two critical issues that you have to take some time and think about. Now, these two issues are not the only things that you want to think about, but they are two very important things that you want to take some time and step back and think about before bringing a medical malpractice case in Maryland. And that first critical issue is, will you be upside down? In other words, will the costs of bringing the lawsuit outweigh what you're going to recover? That's a quick example of this. Let's say your case is worth $100,000, but it's going to take you $80,000 to $90,000 between experts, filing fees, depositions, court costs, all of these other things that you got to do, medical records. It's going to cost you between $80,000 and $90,000 to bring the case. Is this really something that you want to do? Do you really think that this is really in your best interest when your costs are so high? Think about that. The second thing that I want to talk with you about is, are you up for it? I mean, do you really want to do this? You've got to take some time to think, am I really on board with this? Is this something that I really want to do? You got to be in it for the long haul. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about these two very important concepts? Because I'm trying to help you get insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand some of the things that you have to think about when you are trying to decide whether filing a medical malpractice case in Maryland is worth it. If you have more questions and concerns about this process, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up that phone and give me a call. It costs you absolutely nothing to call me. I answer Maryland medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time to listen to your story. You can reach me at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. Guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.